Now, I've made brioche a few times, but never the Italian version. Dan, Italian version? I don't know. What's going to be better?
Let's see. Maritozzi brioche. Let's find out.
Okay. What makes them different?
So the brioche, you use butter, but with Maritozzi, we use real Italian extra virgin olive oil.
Of course, he's such a passionate Italian baker, and I love anything that you make me so good. How do we start this Maritozzi?
Maritozzi. Let's start making the dough. So can you please, Justine, put in the bowl the flour and the milk, please?
Okay, so you use a Tipo 00 flour for this.
Yeah, very strong flour because this type of dough needs a lot of rest and we need a lot of gluten to build this beautiful gluten-like network to make the bread. Perfect.
Oh, how good. So in that goes along with the sugar, did you say?
The sugar, yes, please. And I'm going to crumb some of the fresh yeast in it.
Oh. How good's fresh yeast?
Oh my gosh, I love the smell of it. And then in the meantime, can you just put some milk as well? And I'm just going to crack some eggs for you. And let's mix all together.
Okay.
1 and 2.
Okay, so we've got the dough hook attached here.
Yes, perfect. So now we are going to put everything on our stand mixer and we are going to mix for at least 2 minutes just to get all the dough nice and full.
Okay.
Perfect, let's do it.
Beautiful dough.
Oh my God, look at that. Nice and shiny. I love it.
Shiny.
So now we're going to put the aromatic part. So let's start with some vanilla.
Okay.
Just we seed of 1 vanilla.
And the zest of 1 orange?
Of 1 orange, yeah. And if you want, you can just put the zest of 1 lemon as well.
Good idea. Why not?
So I made 2 hours ago like this beautiful mixture just with fresh yeast, water and flour. That's it.
Okay. So it's almost like you give it a bit more of a head start. So you give it, there's yeast in this one and then a double whammy.
Exactly. Just to make the dough taste even better.
Oh, beautiful.
So can you please add this one in the mixture for me, please? Oh, thank you so much. We are going to mix it for just 2 or 3 minutes just to combine all the ingredients. And then we're going to add the special ingredient, extra virgin olive oil.
And if it was a French brioche, it would be butter.
Correct. But we are Italians.
We're Italian today. All right, we've really worked that dough. It's sticky, stunning.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Okay.
It's just perfect.
And I'll take that off for you.
Yes, please. Thank you. And now I already put some oil in this bowl, and then I'm going to transfer the dough inside this bowl. Oh
it almost looks like it's too sticky and wet, but it'll come together, won't it?
Oh my
you
gosh,
want it to be like this. Yeah.
Perfect. Look at that. Easy.
And your tip is to cover it with some Glad wrap.
Yes. So in this way, it doesn't get dry. And then we just let it sleep for at least 4 hours or overnight.
Fantastic. So you go to bed overnight and we've made one ahead of time. Look at the difference.
Look at this. Look at all these bubbles.
It's really like activated, hasn't it? And you leave that in the fridge or you leave it out of the fridge?
Yes, I left this one. I made this one yesterday, so it's been in the fridge overnight.
Fantastic.
And look at all these bubbles, all this fermentation and the smell.
It smells so good.
Perfect. And now the best part. Wow, look at this.
So aggressive,
So aggressive. But the dough loves it.
The dough loves it, it's true.
And you see, it doesn't stick to your hands, even if it's a little bit wet.
Okay.
And now we're going to divide around 60, 70 grams of dough each. And we are going to put some flour on the bench.
Okay.
Where we are going to put the dough. So now, Justine, we're going to fold the dough 4 times. 1, 2, turn around, 3, and 4. Turn it. And then we're going to push it in this way. The dough will be nice and tight. And then we are going to let this one rest at room temperature for at least 1 hour until it's double in size. So when we are going to bake it, it will be nice and puffy.
Okay, I'm going to try a bit now too. Wow. Ooh, look at that. All right, our Maritozzi have been sleeping. Ooh, Ooh,
Gosh, look at them.
doubled in size.
So nice and soft. I love them.
Fantastic.
So now we're going to brush them with some egg and milk. And then we're going to bake them for like 10-15 minutes until they're nice and golden.
Sounds good.
Perfect. These Maritozzi, they're nice and soft, they're little clouds.
I know, they are like little soft clouds. We have allowed them to cool.
Yes, for at least 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Now they're nice and cool. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble them.
Okay.
So we are going to slice them with an angle. See, they're so soft, it's like that.
Yeah. Where did these originate from in Italy?
So originally they're from Rome, and every region has different flavors. Like for example, in Rome, you find them with raisin and pine nuts, but in my region, you get them with aniseeds.
Aniseed sounds delicious.
I know, right? So I love them. So I'm going to put a little bit of hazelnut spread and then some whipped cream.
So decadent.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow. Oh, see, it's all coming back to me. I do remember travelling in Italy and having this. At breakfast time, you'd go into a cafe, get a little cappuccino, because cappuccino is only in the morning.
Correct.
And then one of these, if I was feeling indulgent.
Always. And now, before we finish, can you please put some icing sugar for me?
Sure, like all over it?
All of it. Yeah.
All over it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Perfect.
Beautiful.
And now we want to make it a little bit pretty. Why don't we add a little bit of flour?
Funny you say that, because I've got these gorgeous little Johnny jumpers I've been growing. I'm very proud of myself. Look at them. They are thriving here. And where do we put it?
Let's put here in the corner.
Just in the corner.
Look at this, so cute. Oh,
It really elevates a dish, doesn't it?
that's perfect. Should we taste it?
Absolutely.
Let's do it. Okay, I share it half. Oh, look at
Yeah,
that.
I think sharing for this is important.
Yeah, sharing is
big.
always caring. Look at that.
Look at that. It's
My
so good.
gosh.
Yum.
Are we ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
How good.
That is a true delight, Dan. I love it.
It's like a little cloud. One, and then you need another one. Why not?
It's so good. You're right. We're going to need another one of these.
Oh, yeah.